What made you pick the patient care experience that you're getting right now? Were you intentional about it? Because you have to be. There are 2,000 other people applying for the same spot that you're applying for. You cannot afford to just pick any kind of patient care experience. I know you've heard that, oh, anything's fine. You can be, yes, that's kind of true. But to stand out, there has to be something unique about you. If you have low GPA, for example, and you are planning to use your clinical experience as that unique factor, then you need to be intentional. Let me give you an example, right? When I was applying to PA school, I knew that cardiology is one of the largest modules in PA school. So guess where I got my first job? Cardiac ICU. That one fact alone let the program know that I had done my research. I was well informed, not just about the school, but about what I would be learning once I got to PA school. So, do your research. Pick a patient care experience, not just because it's convenient for you. There's going to be an opportunity for you to show the program that you were intentional about every single step of this application, and that's why they need to choose you for their program. All right, let me know if you have any questions.